Are you bored eating same type of Maggi? Let's cook delicious cheese Maggi masala. I am sure that you will cook again and again. Add 1 small onion. Add 1 small tomato. Add half capsicum. Cook it for half minute until onion and capsicum become golden brown and tomato become soft. Add 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Add half cup water. Add 2 pouch Maggi masala. Now add Maggi. Add butter. Now add 2 cheese slices and mix everything well. At last, to make it spicy, add half teaspoon black pepper. Your delicious cheese masala Maggi is ready now.